YouTube? It's your boy Self-Made. Oh, we better than another video. So look, man. I try to record this video like 5 times a day. It's my 5th time right now.
Don't care. Don't care. Still don't care. I don't care. I don't.
Look, I'm telling y'all, if y'all see this video, then it worked. Bro, I didn't try it 5 times, but it just ain't been working. So I just been saying, F it. And man, so here we are again, man. I'm finna put on the screen recorder right now. So we just finna hop straight into this, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, bro. Y'all can't tell me nothing about motivation, bro. Nigga. Come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. I bet. Oh, let me turn this up real quick. Oh, wrong screen recorder. I bet this should be working right here. I think so. I bet. We find up into this, man. Hopefully this camera don't die out on me right now, bro. Hopefully not, cause I don't know, bro. This camera I'm recording with is 6 right now. Like that's what y'all seen this stuff right now. Yo.
What's good, fool?
Hey, I had time. I had a question for you.
Turn up. This is beautiful. I got the album. Yeah.
Hey, yo, so look.
Oh, he's gay.
Who?
No, go ahead.
Alright, so look, let's say you wake up as a girl the next morning, right? What you doing?
First thing I'm doing?
Yeah.
The fuck you think I'm gonna play on myself? Like, what?
What you doing after that, though? You ain't finna go to your homeboys, nothing like that?
Nah, I'm gonna be a dyke. After I be girly, gonna be a dyke.
Oh, damn. So.
I'm gonna keep it a beat with you.
So you can't hear my line or nothing, though?
What? Oh, nah.
Yo, but I just woke up too, so we finna just everything we said, just click accept, bro. I'm trying to get this video out for y'all tomorrow, though. Y'all ain't finna see this the day that I'm recording it, though. Yo. Okay. I'm trying to get these videos fast. Trying to get it. Bro, I'm not doing 2 boys, bro. That just ain't me. I'm paranoid. This shit ain't recording though, bro. No cap. Alright, we straight though for now. For now. Yo. Yo, I had a question for you. I had time real quick.
No, you a faggot.
Oh yeah? You ain't showing your face though, bro.
You faggot.
You sucking dick, ain't you? Yeah. Bro, who the fuck? Like, I ain't going, bro. I'm already mad, bro. I'm not going. Hello?
Yo, what's up, bitch?
Hey, bro, show your face real quick.
But you's a bitch.
Show your face. Show your face. Bro, you in the game, ain't you? You in the game. You in the game, ain't you, bro? You just got off school. Lame ass niggas, bro. Fuck wrong with these niggas, bro? They really trying to try me right now.
Damn.
Yo.
Damn. Oh, hey, what's up, cuz?
Hey, yo, I got a question for you. I had time real quick, bro. Alright, so look. I'm shooting a YouTube video right now, right?
Right.
And the question is, if you woke up as the opposite gender, what would you be doing?
Hold on, wait a minute. You said what?
Like, if you woke up as a girl, like, next morning, what is you doing?
First thing I would do, I would see if I got those fucking things on my hand. You know those big ass nails that be wearing? That shit.
Yeah.
Shit's weird as fuck. Be big as fuck. I'll see if I got them on.
Somebody like a little acrylic nails, whatever they call that.
Yeah, man, I hate them.
Oh, nah.
When they be texting, you be hearing all that tapping and shit.
Oh, bro, yeah. Fact. That junk annoying. That junk annoying. But you ain't finna experiment or none of that?
Oh, you talking about like touching my titties and shit?
Yeah, I'm talking about like getting freaky type stuff.
Shit, I don't know.
See.
I ain't horny, bro. Like, I ain't horny like that, cuz.
Nah, I'm talking about like, you feel me? You gotta go hit your homeboys up, feel the experience.
Hey, fuck nah, hell no.
Yo.
Nigga, you sick.
Bro, I'm crying, bro. He said, hell nah. Yo. That jump funny though, bro. That's funny. Yo.
Come on, man. Don't be boring.
Hey, yo. Hey, what's up? So, look, I'm shooting a YouTube video right now, right? Alright, I got a question for you. Alright, so look. So, basically, the question is, if you woke up as an opposite gender, what would you be doing?
Your barbecue, boy. Sunday school special shirt ass, boy. Your ass is like an exotic cricket, your little ugly ass, boy. Tap dancing frog looking ass.
He said,
Making a hot dog.
huh?
Making a hot dog.
What you finna put on it, though?
I'm gonna put on extra ketchup,
Oh.
extra mustard.
I mean, you got your own ketchup, you feel me? Just put your own on there, you feel me? You produce ketchup.
I might even throw in some cheese.
Oh, some cheese? Shredded, though?
Or
Throwing some relish on there?
some red.
Hey, hey, you gotta add some squirt on there, though. Some squirt.
Some, huh?
It's some squirt, bro. You feel me? Just, you feel me? That's free. You ain't gotta pay for it. Bro, I'm finna keep this joint rolling though. Get as much footage as I can today. I'm trying to at least 10 minutes. You feel me? If I can. Hey yo. Hey, I'm making a YouTube video right now. Hey, I got a question for both of y'all real quick. I had time real quick.
What's up?
Had time?
Yeah. So look. So the question is, if y'all woke up as a girl like the next morning, what would y'all be doing?
Man, I think I would go to like a slumber party, you know?
Am I?
Man, get the fuck out of here, nigga!
I invited?
What goes on in there? Yeah, dude. I would invite you.
maybe go to some part.
So I mean,
pretty chill.
I mean, if it's 3 of us in the car right now, I mean, like, if y'all wake up tomorrow as a girl, you know what I'm saying, we could, you know, we can.
No, I don't think I would do that. That's kind of gay.
Come on, man. Hey, man, no homo.
Like, you gotta think about it.
But hey, if you say no homo, it's not gay.
No, if we have socks.
He's like,
It's no homo, bro. No homo. No homo, bro. As long as you're saying no homo, it's not gay. You feel me?
it's a very tough thing.
Hey, look, you could kiss your homeboy and be like, oh, no homo. All right, it's not gay. You feel me?
Yeah,
not
but
gay.
then he knows he's your homeboy. Like,
Yeah, that's your
you guys
homeboy.
are like boys.
No homo is a powerful word.
I mean, it's a no
Tough
from me.
choice, man.
Nah, no, it
Tough
ain't.
choices.
Only thing that's gonna be tough is. Wait, what? I don't know what it said. Hey, yo.
Yo.
Hey, yo, I got a question for you. I had time real quick. Alright, so look, so I'm shooting a YouTube video right now, right? And the little question is, if you woke up as a the opposite gender, what would you be doing?
Finger myself.
Oh, can I help you with that though?
Heck no.
Bro, come on, why? You gonna do me like that?
Nah, that's gay, bruh.
Hey, no, cause look, you a girl and I'm a guy though. You feel me?
Nah, but my mindset's still a guy.
Damn. So you gonna ask your homeboy then?
Heck, that's still you right.
Oh, bro, yeah.
Oh, nigga, you gay!
Yeah. You see what I'm talking about?
What's your YouTube?
Self-made. Oh, my username.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna subscribe.
Alright, bet. Good luck. So video from me up tomorrow though.
Alright.
Alright, bet. Be smooth, bro. Alright, I fuck with that. I fuck with her. Nigga said, yeah, what the fuck. Yo.
What up, boy?
Hey, I got a question for you. I time real quick.
What up?
Alright, so look, so I'm shooting a YouTube video right now, right? And the little question is, if you woke up as the opposite gender, what would you be doing?
Nigga, I'm gonna play with my pussy, first off. Then I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna be a little whore. Fuck that, I'm about to get fucked.
Okay.
For me?
Fuck! I wanna know how
For me? For me?
for you.
Yeah, like, I'm saying, can you come to me so I could be your first body? Please?
What? No.
Please, you could, bro. I know you could take this 3-inch, bro. It's not that big. Oh, hey, this ain't no 3-inch, bro. I'm telling you. If you don't believe me, come and take it. As long as you just gotta be 18 or older, decent, and 18 or older, decent, and a girl. There we go. I almost call myself. This is my last dude, though. Man, last dude. Yo. Hello? I don't know if that was moaning, but yeah. Well, I got my daily dose of porn in. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, bro. I got a question for you, man.
Oh, you got a question for me, too?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
It's about Kobe, man.
Add time real quick, then.
Alright, man. It's about Kobe, man.
Alright,
You was a
bet.
big basketball fan?
Oh, yeah, of course.
So what Kobe...
What, Kobe, what? What, Kobe, what? You feel me? I was interested in that, but... Yo.
Man, some weird shit just happened to me, bro.
What happened?
Some girl just said, "Hey, Dad," and flashed her titties at me.
Yeah, that was my sister.
For real?
Yeah.
So, it was...
Hi, Dad.
What the fuck?
Lame, man, nigga, man. Fuck him, fucking A. Hey, yo. Yeah, I got a question. I got a question for y'all real quick. I had time.
No.
No. Put some motherfucking things on them lips.
Bye.
Android, bye. What's wrong with these niggas, bro? I'm on everybody's head today, bro. I ain't going like yesterday. I was being nice. I was being nice yesterday, bro. Today I'm not being nice. Fuck that, bro. Y'all got me fucked up today.
I'm young.
Hey, yo.
I'm young nobody.
I got a question for y'all. Add time real quick.
What's good?
What's up? So look, I'm shooting a YouTube video right now, and the question is, if you woke up as the opposite gender, what would you be doing?
Oh, nigga, I'm eating some pussy.
Does that include mine?
Oh, bro, I'm eating some pussy, my nigga. Lesbian all the way. Yeah, lesbian all the way, nigga. Fuck, nigga. I don't want no dick in me. The fuck?
Why? Bro, a little 3-inch ain't gonna hurt you, bro. Come on now, bro.
My nigga, no.
Bro, this 3-inch, you not finna feel it though.
Bro, I don't care.
Look,
bro.
hey, look, I could put a white stain on your shirt right now, bro.
Yeah.
Come on.
Bro,
I ain't gonna get you
I
pregnant
don't care,
now,
bro.
unless you want me to.
No, bro, I don't care, bro.
Come
you
on,
want
bro.
dick in you?
Yeah, come on, bro.
You
Come
weird.
on. Come on, man. Come on. Nah, man. Hey, man, that's gonna cap out this video, man. This joint was low-key lit. Hey, man, let me know if y'all mess with this video, man. Let me know. Part 3 on the way soon. Question mark. Fuck. Stay in school, y'all. Hey, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We out. Gang.
One bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my dad.